What's up everyone? This is Panda. So, let's talk about Sunwayfoto once again. And this time, let's talk about the FL-16 video light cube that's from Sunwayfoto. So this is the original first one that Sunwayfoto sent me. So disclaimer, I was sponsored by them, I was affiliated with them, but I'm no longer affiliate or sponsored by Sunwayfoto. We departed ways and it's a long story. But take this with a grain of salt. Brands should just take criticism and know how to take criticism with that grain of salt. But this is the first one they have sent me, and within like 3-4 months of me using it, it died. So it caught fire. Let me explain how it caught fire. So one day I go to an NYC Link booth, I plug it into the USB port to charge it, and it started smoking. So we're gonna find out what was smoking because we're gonna open this. So I got my famous T6 torque screw and a helicopter is flying over. So I'm gonna open this. And see what's inside. So we're gonna see what's inside, everyone. So please do subscribe, like, and share. If you want to support the channel, please do support the channel. There's a Pateron, but I gotta update the Pateron. It's not old, I just haven't been posting in the last couple of weeks. But guys, follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. If you guys are a brand or a company that wants to reach out and wants to help this homeless photographer, documentarian photographer, YouTuber, creator, artist, counts. My reputation precedes me, friend. So please do support the channel. There is a PayPal, Cash App, Venmo where you can support directly. So as I unscrew, hands are a little slippery because I got some lotion on my hands. And okay, I think we got it open. So. Here's the back panel, and here's the weather seal rubber. Let me just throw that up in there. So this is the back panel with the rubberized water seal, and mind you, in the back as well, it does have a weather gasket as well. I hope you guys see that. It does have a weather gasket. Let me make sure you guys can see this. Yeah. Not bad. And like I said, quality build is amazing from Sunwayfoto. So, what do we have here? Let's see. What do we have here, everyone? We have 2 batteries, it looks like, and the main PCB board. So let's see what we can discover. What was the problem? Oh, there is the problem. Guys, do you see that right there? Do you see that? That's what caused it to fail. So it wasn't water damage. Something just blew up. So with that said, everyone, and these batteries that Sunwayfoto is using, 3.7 volts, 915 milliamps. Okay, so there's 2 of them in here. Yeah, there's 2 of them. That's pretty cool. And this is the PCB board. And I want you guys to see how it caught fire. Pretty cool, right? I'm not gonna lie, Sunwayfoto, you guys make some pretty good stuff and you use some very nice components. But this component here that caught fire shares a bit of concern. Now, I do have a second one, it hasn't caught fire, so I can speak on behalf of Sunwayfoto when I say I love this LED light. because I have a second one right here on my camera as I'm filming it right now. So yeah, this is the FL-16, and inside you can see where like the panel, this is really good build quality. Like I said, this is T6061 material, or 70, what is it? Or some of them was T70, 71. But anyway, everyone, power button, volume, rocker, mode. You gotta press the mode twice. So you hold it down to power it on, then you press it again to go into the mode to change the Kelvin temperature. But yeah, this is inside the Sunwayfoto FL-16 LED light, everyone. You can see there's a tiny regulator or PCB regulator to make sure that the battery doesn't overcharge or undercharge or dies or whatever it may happen. And you can see that it's on both batteries. That's pretty awesome. Well job, good job Sunwayfoto. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very good build. Very good job Sunwayfoto. But with that said, everyone, I'm Panda. This video was using maven-filters. I'm using a 3-stop and a CPL to get rid of some of the reflection on this device here, or this LED light. But I'm also using the Comic-Con BD Live 10, and hopefully soon I have some good word about that announcement. But other than that, everyone, this is the Sunwayfoto FL-16. If you like this video, let me know. Subscribe, like, and share. You want to support the channel, there's a PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. Goes a long way. So eat, sleep, technology, videography, and repeat. And I see you guys in the next video. See ya.